Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all you video editors out there. We'll be showing you how to add overlays in Capcut PC, so let's dive right in. Step 1. First, open Capcut on your PC. Once Capcut PC is open, import the video you want to edit by clicking on the Import button. You'll want to import the videos you plan to overlay and selecting your video file. Now click on Open button. Step 2. Now select the background video and drawn on the timeline. You can drag the edges to shorten or lengthen the clips as needed. I'm going to make my background video a bit shorter. Step 3 now. Select the video you want to overlay and drag the overlay video on top of the background video. It will create a new video track. You can adjust the size and position of your overlay by clicking and dragging the corners or by using the scale tool on the right side. Get it just the way you like it. In my case, I want it as a face cam. Now, let's play it back to see how it looks. Once you're satisfied with your overlay, it's time to export your video. Just click on Export in the top right corner. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.